Abilina Lucero. And we have there standing our member of the board, former president of Pangasinan International, Mr. Bob Baltasar. He's from Malugao, Pangasinan. And we have Shirley from Watsonville, Murakami.
Will be in her house.
Yes,
I'm inviting you all. Let's all go.
next meeting. Make sure you will be there.
Bring a basket for the strawberries.
Yes, we talked about last time,
Yes.
and we will have a meeting in their place.
Okay.
Mrs. Charito Wade, WUI, our corresponding secretary. She's from Malasiki at Pinalunan, Pangasinan.
Wow.
And we have, of course, Mr. Lee,
Hello.
the husband now. He's from the Gupan City. And we have Mr. Robert Ubaldo. He's also member of the board. And he's from Paniki, Tarlac. And from Ilocos Norte. Mrs. Mabel Angeles and Mr. Tony Angeles.
I think at this time we can introduce the three candidates that we do have. Only one that is not here right now from Stockton due to illness, I believe. Anyway, I will introduce the first one. We have from the town of, I believe, Tarlac, Paniki, no other than Mrs. Loida Marzan. Where's the music? All right, from the town of
From where is she?
Paniki, Tarlac. Loida Marzan. Thank you. May we call the second one in here, Mrs. Mabel Tomas Angeles from the town of Lawa. And she is in Sacramento, guys.
All right.
Thank you very much from Lawa. And then the third one here is Mrs. Evelyn Nelson, Kawayan Ilocos, yes. And from you, we have the manager to stand up, or one of you guys, representative, to come over here, please.
Okay.
So we have from Paniki, Tarlac, we have from Ilocos, and we have from Lawag. And this is a good one. I'm sorry? Ilocos Norte, I'm sorry. I thought it's Ilocos Norte. So anyway, these are the three candidates. And they already started actually selling the ballots and sending out invitation, all this kind of stuff. But the third one, because we didn't, Mabel Thomas, we didn't really get her till later, so she didn't even start it yet. So again, I urge you guys, all the committees and members and officers of the USINA to really help these three candidates.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mrs. Loida Ical Marsan. I'm married to an Ilocano who is Rolando Marsan Jr. He's originally from Santa Lucia East, Moncada, Tarlac. And we have three kids who are boys. And I'm working as an operations coordinator in San Francisco. We live in Daly City here in California.
Hi, I'm Mabel Angeles of Tomas Angeles, married to Anton, who's he's not Ilocano, but Tagalog. I have two kids, and we live in Sacramento. And I just had a grandson, and I'm babysitting right now.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Saka na makakita hindi napipintas nalas pa nga babae.
Napintas ka nalas magpay.
Sabay kumata, tinjutin na tanay nga ayat yung trabaho at nagkakasta kay Romang ay dato nga asosasyon tayo. Asosasyon na kita Ilocano.
We really would like to have your support in this affair because it is our greatest fundraiser that we have, and cooperation is really needed. Love and unity is the best that will glue us together. Okay, so tell your other kababayans, your family, your friends, to join us in this affair because it's one of the biggest things that we have here in California, I think.